How to fix and solve TikTok keep stopping. Hello everyone, wherever you are, I'm going to show you how to fix and solve this problem on your TikTok. You just need to pay attention, follow this video till the end. So first, you don't need to open your TikTok. Go and open your settings of your phone. After that, open here your apps option. On apps option, you will find all the application that you have on your phone, new information. So then when all the applications showing you here, you have to search only for TikTok. So search for TikTok now. Go directly to storage option and click on clear cache. Right now you have to back and click on force stop, click OK, and then go to Play Store and update your TikTok, then restart your phone. So that's all guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and bye.